Hello everyone, welcome to this COMICA Seekcom S1 firmware upgrade guide. In this video, we will show you how to update the firmware on your Seekcom S1 wireless intercom system. Before starting the upgrade, please prepare the following items: a computer, a USB data cable, and the Seekcom S1 device that needs to be upgraded. Also make sure the device has enough battery power before starting the upgrade. First, you need to download the latest firmware package. Open a web browser and visit the Shenzhen Comlight Technology Co's Durouer La. Go to Service Support, then Download Center, and select Firmware Upgrade. Next, choose Wireless Intercom System and download the latest S1 firmware package. Alternatively, you can also contact the COMICA support team to obtain the firmware file. Upgrade steps. Step 1. Enter upgrade mode. First, make sure the S1 device is powered off. Press and hold the plus button. While holding the plus button, press the power button. The device will now enter upgrade mode, also called copy mode. Step 2. Connect to the computer. Next, use a USB data cable to connect the S1 to your computer. Once connected, the computer will automatically recognize the device and display it as a USB drive. Step 3. Copy the upgrade file. Open the newly detected USB drive on your computer, then go to the root directory of the drive. Copy the update folder from the downloaded firmware package into the root directory. If a prompt appears asking whether to overwrite files, simply select Yes. Step 4. Complete the upgrade. After the file transfer is complete, disconnect the USB cable. Power off the S1 device, and then turn it on again. During the upgrade process, the progress bar will appear 3 times. Once the upgrade is finished, the device will automatically power off. After powering it on again, your Seekcom S1 will be running the latest firmware. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.